Welcome back. Let's get you details this afternoon of how two officials at the Pakistan High Commission have been accused of espionage and have now been expelled from the country. This after an operation by the special cell of the Delhi police, these two officials, the Pakistan High Commission, were identified along with a driver, all three who were based in the national capital. Now, the details that we have is that the two expelled Pakistan spies have been identified as Abid Hussain and Muhammad Tahir. They used to meet defense personnel as businessmen and sought sensitive information from them. Sources said that Hussain was working as an assistant in the Department of Trade in the Pakistan High Commission and was an operative of Pakistan's spy agency, the ISI. His colleague and upper division clerk in the High Commission, Tahir, is from Islamabad and would accompany Abid Hussain, his colleague, on the espionage missions to gather information for news reporters. Sources said that the duo were driven around by Javed Akhtar, a resident of Mianwali in Pakistan's Punjab, who has also now been taken into custody. The government has declared both the officials as persona non grata and asked them to leave the country within 24 hours. The two will pay 25,000 rupees for every exchange of information. They were paid via phone wallet applications. The last time such an incident was reported was 4 years ago in 2016. Our senior executive editor Gaurav Sawant is joining us live with more details on this. Gaurav, there have been many operations by our agencies which has identified how Pakistan High Commission has been used for illegal activities such as espionage in the past as well.
In this particular case, you're absolutely right. And in this particular case, both these officials who claim to have diplomatic immunity and, of course, the driver, they had a fake Aadhaar card of a Seelampur address in Northeast Delhi with a different name. They would befriend people, glean information from them, travel around with them. This is perhaps just the tip of the iceberg. How they would come into contact with some of these individuals, glean information from them. They would meet at Karol Bagh eateries. It was the military intelligence and the special cell of the Delhi police that mounted a joint operation. The military intelligence unit, intelligence unit, they were keeping a very close eye on the activities of these individuals. They were tracked, they were traced. Not only that, a lot of information was also got on CCTV cameras and cameras that were located at these eateries in Karol Bagh, where these people would befriend people, keep them in local hotels there, and then in exchange for information, give them money. So this racket has been busted in terms of the identification of these officials of the Pakistan High Commission. They've been declared persona non grata and now they have to leave our country in the next 12 hours. The other part which becomes extremely sensitive are the people they were in contact with. What kind of information has gone out? They were not just civilians. We are told some of them were also, at least some military personnel are also under investigation.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.